Sometimes little alterations in plants might indicate a more serious issue. Research frequently connects Puccinia arachidis to this illness. Plants with this problem may exhibit symptoms like peanut rust, which is often seen on the underside of leaves and manifests as small, round, orange-brown patches. Usually, a yellowish aura surrounds these dots. Plant and leaf development are severely hampered by this disease. As the disease worsens, severely affected leaves develop rust-colored patches on both sides, turn yellow, and seem rusty, and finally curl. Peanut pods, stems, and petioles may also have lengthy, reddish-brown, and eventually black, blotches. Both fruit productivity and seed oil quality can be severely impacted by this disease. This can be caused by a number of things, such as pathogens that cause peanut rust can live in crop leftovers in the soil or in other legumes that serve as substitute host plants. Spores formed on the underside of leaves during the fungal reproductive stage are the source of the initial infection. Spores spread by the wind cause secondary infections. Conditions that are conducive to fungal development, such as high temperatures, 21 to 26 degrees Celsius, and damp, gloomy weather, fog, or dense night dew, can cause disease patches to spread quickly. Additionally, they stunt growth by preventing the formation of shoots and roots. Rust formation seems to be slowed by high phosphorus concentrations in the soil. You might start by attempting natural remedies such as controlling the infection process can be aided by biological agents. Potentilla erecta and sage extracts shield leaves from fungus development. Other plant extracts that are useful in lowering the prevalence of illness include peanut and flaxseed oils. In more severe cases, therapies might include always think about combining biological therapy with prophylactic measures. In the latter phases of the illness, chemical therapies might not be successful. Spray products containing mancozeb, propiconazole, or chlorothalonil, 3 g/liter of water, if fungicides are required. As soon as the first symptoms of illness emerge, begin spraying and repeat every 15 days. To assist in shielding plants against this problem, use verified sources or seeds from plants that are in good health. Select types that are resistant to disease. Increase the space between plants to prevent excessive humidity. Manage naturally occurring plants and weeds in and around the field. Don't put any other host plants in the vicinity of the field. To prevent rust disease, apply a lot of phosphorus fertilizer. Infected plants and detritus in the field can be eliminated by burning or plowing them under. Every 3 to 4 years, crop rotation using non-host plant species should be taken into consideration. Make plans for long-term fallowing in between peanut crops. Overall, keep in mind that the underside of the leaves develops rust-colored nodules with a yellow halo surrounding them. Nodules cover both sides of severely diseased leaves. The leaves curl and turn yellow. For further information about plant care, subscribe to the channel.